What's up, everybody? We're doing a break of 2013 Panini Prestige football. We got 24 packs, excuse me, with 8 cards per pack. Let me do a timestamp for those who can't catch it live. It is 12/25, July 8. Let's focus. July 8. Okay. Let's crack it open. Okay. Twenty-four packs. A little cramped here, but the box is empty, as you can see. All right. Let's count these real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We got even stacks here. Pack 1. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining. I just cut this thing. All right. Pack number 1. Everyone knows their teams. I'm going to go quickly through the base. All right. Okay, we got an extra points of Tony Romo for the Cowboys. That's numbered 20 out of 100. You can see there, 20 out of 100. That's a purple extra points for the Cowboys. Got a dummy card. And our rookie is Eric Fisher. He's a top pick, I believe. So that is for the Chiefs. DeMarco Murray, Lions and Falcons. Second pack. We got our first acetate. These are really nice. They're Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Nice acetate. I really want the RG3 version of this. Pretty cool for the Lions. And we got a Geno Smith rookie card. These are short printed. I opened 2 boxes just to check out the product, and I didn't hit any of the base rookie for him. And I also didn't hit the Leon Sandcastle. I think those are pretty short printed too. Joe Hayden and Roddy White. Pack 3. Vic on top. Greg Jennings. Robert Meacham. And we got a NFL Draft Tickets insert of Manti Te'o. Nice. And our rookie is for the Cowboys, Terrence Williams. Royals, Jackson, and Daniels for the Texans. Pack 4. Mark Ingram. Richard Sherman. Matt Flynn. And we got an NFL passport of Stedman Bailey for the Rams. And our rookie for the Panthers is Ken John Barner. Briggs, Bo, and Austin. Austin. Cowboys. Thick pack here. Christian Ponder. Malcolm Floyd. Darren Sproles. And we've got an extra points red rookie, Alex Okafor for the Cardinals. That one's not numbered. I think the red aren't numbered, but it is rarer than the base rookie. There you go, Cardinals, and we got a dummy card. And we got a rookie card of Derrick Rogers. That's for the Bills. DJ Spiller, Arian Foster, Charles Tillman. Brandon Whedon card on the back. Alright, Stephen Ridley, Patriots. Vernon Davis. David Wilson. And let's see, this is a Draft City Destination. I think these are only one per box. Draft City Destination. That is Keenan Allen of the Chargers. And then we also have a rookie for the Dolphins, Jamar Taylor. Jonathan Stewart, Donald Brown, and Brandon Whedon. Thick pack here. Might have a patch or something in here. Alright. Yeah, I think we have a patch here. Percy Harvin. Darrelle Revis. RG3. And we got an NFL. The patch is the next one. Let me show this one. So we got for the Texans, NFL Draft Picks etch card. And let me flip the pack. I guess I showed it. It's Robert Woods for the Bills patch or jersey. So Robert Woods for the Bills. Nice hit there. That is numbered right in the middle there at a $3.99. It's number 14. Let's see if you can get that. 14 out of $3.99. It's hard to get it on camera there. It's pretty good. 14 out of $3.99. So first hit is for the Bills, followed by his regular rookie card of Robert Woods. That was a Bills pack for you. Mercedes Lewis, Des Bryant, and Clay Matthews. Okay. Should have at least 3 more hits. Okay, we got Levante David, Deshaun Jackson, Mike Wallace, and we got an NFL draft tickets of Zach Ertz for the Eagles, and a rookie for the Chiefs, Travis Kelce. He is a tight end, 3rd round for the Chiefs. We got a Michael Floyd Cardinals, Willis McGahee, and Terrell Suggs. Okay. Plaxico Burress. Oh, he's re-signed with the Steelers, I guess. I bet they used that picture from back in the day. That's strange. It has his Steelers stats. Was he on the Steelers last year? I don't think so. Russell Wilson, Santonio Holmes, Keenan Allen ticket for the Chargers. I feel like we saw that before. Jarvis Jones for the Steelers rookie card. And then we got a Brandon Marshall, Cecil Shorts III, and Josh Cribbs. We got Kendall Wright, Brent Selleck, Cameron Wake. Oh, nice. Geno Smith, NFL passport for the Jets. So we got 2 rookie cards for him so far. We got Tyler Bray, rookie for the Chiefs. A lot of Chiefs rookies. Patrick Peterson, Matthew Stafford, Kevin Cobb. Kevin Cobb is Buffalo Bill, even though he's in his Cardinals uniform. Okay. Phillip Rivers, Lance Moore, Marshawn Lynch. Oh, wow. Nice hit for the Packers. We got an Eddy Lacy autograph. That's probably at least 20 to 30 bucks. Nice hit for the Packers. That's a green. Oh, man, this one's out of 25. 8 out of 25. See if you can see that. Nice hit for the Packers. Glaring. Not sure if you can see that. Anyway, it's 8 out of 25. Green extra points. That could be a $40 to $50 card right there. Congrats. Okay, we got Kerwin Williams for the Colts, rookie. Devere Posey, Michael Bush, and Rashad Jennings. Packers looking good. Who got the Packers? Bredo Kimura. Congrats, man. Okay. Jeremy Curley, Jets. Sean Green, Jets. Aaron Hernandez for Boston County Prison. Just kidding. And Kenny Stills, insert for the Saints. We got a rookie of Ray Graham for the Texans. Jacoby Jones, Jermichael Finley, Jay Cutler. That was a big hit there. See what our other auto is, or possibly two more. Okay, we got Pierre Garçon, Antonio Brown, Kyle Rudolph. And here's our second auto for the 49ers, Eric Reed, red extra points card. The red ones aren't numbered, even for the autos, but it's still an autograph. So let's see what position. He's a safety, and he's a first-round pick, so that's a decent hit. From LSU. So there you go, 49ers, congrats. Good box. We got a rookie of Andre Ellington for the Cardinals. Then we got a Jacquizz Rodgers, Devin Hester, and Justin Blackmon. So one more hit left. Jared Cook, Rob Gronkowski, Patrick Willis, another Andre Ellington, the Cardinals passport, another Cardinal, Alex Okafor, Randall Cobb, Greg Olson, Gerald Freeman. Speed this up a little bit. Go quicker through these base cards. Brandon Myers, Jake Locker, Jeremy Maclin. And we got a NFL draft pick insert of Aaron Dobson for the Patriots. And a rookie of Marcus Wheaton for the Steelers. Greg Little, Ryan Williams, Wes Welker. Joe McKnight, Nate Washington, Bryce Brown, and we got, for the Eagles, Zach Ertz, prestigious picks insert. Rookie of Marquise Wilson, Trent Richardson, Matt Ryan, and Calvin Johnson. Okay. Daniel Thomas, Darrell Richardson, Drew Brees. Prestigious picks, Keenan Allen. I feel like we got tons of cards of this guy today. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Demontre Moore for the Giants, rookie. Tavares Jackson, Matt Schaub, and Tamba Hali. Okay, Isaiah Peed, Vince Wilfork, Richard Seymour, Monty Ball, I think he's short printed too, for the Broncos, the NFL passport. Rookie of Chance Warmack for that's the Titans. Then we got Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Tony Maoki, and Sean Lee for the Cowboys. Here we got Andre Brown, Dallas Clark, Nick Foles, and a Manti Te'o insert. Nice. For the Chargers. And a rookie of Eric Reed. We got the auto earlier for the 49ers. Vic Ballard, Ray Mauluga, Larry Fitzgerald. Thick pack here. Might be a mem hit. Okay. Anquan Bolden, Mark Sanchez, Kenny Britt. This is a numbered card. I don't know if you can tell. There's like a wavy. It's got like a waviness to it. So you can kind of see it. I guess that's what the numbered ones have. Deion Jordan for the Dolphins. First one of these I've gotten. And that is numbered out of 100. 45 out of 100. Kind of cool. They add a little extra to it. It's for the Dolphins. Oh, this is just a dummy pack. So we got a dummy card. Rookie for the Cowboys, Gavin Escobar. Escobar's season has begun. Blaine Gabbert, Josh Gordon, Rashad Mendenhall, Steelers. LaShawn McCoy, Dustin Keller for the Dolphins. I guess he got, I think he got signed or traded. That's Dolphins, and even though he's in Jets. Got James Laurinaitis. Oh, here we go. We get 2 acetates per box. This is Chris Johnson for the Titans. These are really cool. So it's clear here, but I don't know if you can tell the shape of it. Chris Johnson for the Titans. And then we got a rookie of Tavon Austin. Nice. For the Rams. We got Von Miller, Steve Johnson, and Andre Johnson. Right, we got two thick packs and 1 skinny pack left. Marcus Colston, Golden Tate, Bilal Powell for the Jets. We have a NFL draft tickets of Kenny Stills for the Saints. And another Keenan Allen rookie card. Matt Forte, Demaryius Thomas, and Dennis Pitta. Thick pack here. See if it's okay. This one's the dummy, so the last pack should have a hit in it. Okay, we got Sidney Rice, my man Ryan Kerrigan, Sam Bradford. We got a red extra points of Marcus Wheaton, rookie for the Steelers. Those are not numbered, the red ones. Dummy card. Got a rookie for the Cardinals, Tyrann Mathieu, the Honey Badger. I think he might be short printed too, because I think that's the first one I've hit. Peyton Manning, Ray Rice, and Jordy Nelson. Alright, last pack. Brian Arakpo. Let me pull these to the front. Hit for last. I'll take this call in a second. Okay. Quentin Patton for the 49ers rookie card. Torrey Smith. James Jones. DeAngelo Williams. Brian Arakpo again. Troy Polamalu. Shane Vereen. Frank Gore. And the hit, let me flip it so I gave it away. Alright. Gamers patch of Mark Sanchez. Not the best player, but it is a kind of nice patch there. Got some patch and some jersey. Let's see if this is numbered. Not numbered. I think at least the ones with patch, they should number, but they also come with just jerseys, so that's not too bad. But congrats to the Jets. Alright, so that was all 24 packs. We got a sick hit. Go over these. We got that Eddy Lacy auto that's a nice hit. Okay. So we got for the Buffalo Bills, Robert Woods, number 14 out of 399. Got a Mark Sanchez patch for the Jets, not numbered. We got this refractor passport of Deion Jordan for the Dolphins. This is the third pick in the draft, so that's a decent hit. We got Eric Reed for the 49ers auto, not numbered. And the big hit of the box, Eddy Lacy out of 25, 8 out of 25 for the Packers. Yeah, that's a big hit for Packers. Paid $5.50 for their spot, so yeah, it's whether you sell or keep it. They did pretty good. Okay. All right, let me stop this recording, and we'll do some randoms in a second. Excuse me one second. I gotta take this phone call.